guys, and today, oh crap, it did rain. Sorry about that. Today it rained. So that's about it. And we're going into my house. Had to get the keys because right now I'm not staying at my house. Crap. And this video is mainly about go subscribe to my fishing channel. Which is at, I think it's Colton's fishing channel, which I'll put that in the link in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna try to blow it all up. Okay, let me get a setup going. Okay, sorry about the dishes over there. Okay, there we go. Alright, so go subscribe to my fish channel. Bet that was loud. Smoking. Smoke. Happy late 4th of July. We did pop some fireworks last night. And that was fun. I wish I would have recorded, but I didn't think to. I was hanging out with some family and all that, so I really didn't think to. Oh, that stuff stinks. Wow. So, like I said, go subscribe to my fishing channel. Subscribe to this channel always. And that's about it. But one last thing. Today is Thursday. Oh, yeah. Go play with me on Xbox, Boss Break 59, 7188, capital B's on Boss and Break. So, yeah, that's about it. And, smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'm going to send it off with the firework. So like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all later. I'm going to take that back about seeing y'all later. That legit just hurt my ear so bad I can't even hear out of it yet. All I hear is like a ding. Not this ear, but that ear. Oh, I think this video should be fireworks gone wrong. Oh man. Alright, well, now we will see y'all later. Like and subscribe, and